Track 4. Well Ya Knowya Gronolya, inspired by Juvenile, Knowya clap. Ingredients: 1 cup of oats, 1/4 cup of nuts chopped, such as almonds, pecans, or walnuts, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of canola oil or coconut oil, ½ teaspoon salt, dash of cinnamon, optional, 1/4 cup of shredded coconut flakes, optional. This recipe makes 4 servings, and 1/4 cup is a serving size, which provides 210 calories, 11 grams of fat, or 14% of your daily value, 1 gram of saturated fat, or 5% daily value, 0 grams of trans fat, 0 milligrams of cholesterol, 290 milligrams of sodium, or 13% of your daily value, 24 grams of total carbohydrate, or 9% of your daily value, 3 grams of dietary fiber, or 11% of your daily value, 0 grams of sugar, 4 grams of protein, or 8% of your daily value. Cereal is a very common breakfast food. If you look in most people's cabinets, you will find a box of cereal or 2, or even 3. Cereals can be healthy, but they can also be empty and full of sugar. The key is to choose a high fiber cereal with little, less than 3 to 5 grams of added sugar, and to add some fruit to it, such as sliced bananas or blueberries. This granola is a very cost-effective, healthy way to make your own cereal that you can pour a glass of milk over and bag it up, or take it with you on a go for a snack. It goes well with Greek yogurt, and you can make eggs on the side, or consume it with a protein shake, and well you know you'll clap. Directions: preheat the oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Combine all the ingredients in a large mixing bowl, mix well and toss. Spread the mixture in a thin layer on a baking sheet lined with paper mache and bake for 10 minutes until lightly toasted. Cool and store in a large zip bag or airtight container. Add to Greek yogurt or eat a handful between meals as a snack.